How to use auto clicker on iPhone. First up, all you have to do is launch the settings app in your iPhone devices, and after you go to settings, just click on accessibility, which opens a new page, and here under physical and motor, click on a new option called switch control. Here make sure you click on switches, and here click on add new switch option that you can see right here. Among the many options that you can see, click on screen, which is the second one, and then on full screen. Here under actions, you need to select item and go back to the previous pages. Here click on recipes and then click on create new recipe option that you can see on the screen. After you click there, click on assign a switch and here click on full screen option. After this, click on custom gesture option, that is the fifth option that you can see under actions, and after you click on the custom gesture, you will be given a blank space. Here type the gesture that you want to auto click on your iPhone, and once you're done, click on the save option on the top right corner. You can also name your recipe. For now, we are going to name it auto. After you have successfully named your recipe, go back and then click on launch recipe. Here make sure you click the name of the recipe that you have just set, and after this go back until you reach the accessibility page. Once you reach accessibility, scroll down to the bottom and click on accessibility shortcut. Again scroll down until you see an option called switch control. Select the switch control option and then go back, and after this launch the app where you want to use the auto clicker at, and after you launch it, click on the side button 3 times, and this is how you can easily use auto clicker in iPhone. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.